Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix Samsung Calendar not showing events and holidays. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Samsung Galaxy phone and open the Galaxy Store app. Double-check that you're logged into the correct Samsung account. This is crucial for syncing your calendar properly. Step 2. Next, look for the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open up additional options to help you manage your apps. Step 3. From the menu, find and tap on the Update option. If you see that the calendar app isn't listed here, it means the app is already up to date, so no further action is needed. Now swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Here, you'll see various toggles for features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. Step 5. In the Quick Settings menu, simply turn off your network connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or mobile data. Wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This refreshes your connection and can help resolve syncing issues. Step 6. After that, tap on the Settings icon to open your phone's main settings menu. This is where we'll dig deeper into your account settings. Step 7. Scroll down and look for Accounts and Backup, then tap on it. From there, select Manage Accounts. This will show you all the accounts linked to your device. Step 8. Find and tap on your Samsung account, then select Sync Account. This ensures that all your data, including calendar events, is properly synced with Samsung's servers. Step 9. Finally, make sure the sync feature is enabled. Once you've done this, your Samsung calendar should now display all your events and holidays correctly. Problem solved. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.